What is up, everybody? This is Brad Chaz here at Steel City Motorsports, and in today's video we have a rebuild of a crashed 2008 Gsxr 600. If you guys like the video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, as well as share it with your friends and family. I would greatly appreciate it. I'll check back with you guys in the next one. Roll that intro. Peace. Well, the infamous Gsxr 600, the first squid bike to hit the road. Basically, the story behind this bike is the customer bought it brand new maybe 2-3 weeks ago, and he underestimated his riding abilities, I'm guessing, and while riding, he dumped the bike on the left side. Originally, I thought that the bike would just need a new clip-on and, you know, a couple other things to be fixed and set up on the bike, but upon pulling up to the bike and bringing it to the shop, I did start the bike, get the bike started actually, because it wasn't starting. The bike just pours oil out of the stator case, so we went ahead and purchased a new case. So we're going to be doing the stator case slash cover, as well as transferring over everything in the inside of the motor into the new case, as well as a brand new clip-on. And then we're going to get the bike started, put some fresh oil in it, and do a full inspection of the bike just to make sure that everything is operating as it should. Let's get straight into the rebuild. So step one, let's go ahead and get the fairings off of the bike. So, I don't point fingers when it comes to building and fixing motorcycles, but I do know the place that built this bike, and I do know that they used cheap eBay bolts on it, and that's why all the fairing bolts on it are all rusted out. So, if you work for the amazing place that built this bike, and again, I'm not going to say any names, when you build a bike, use some better parts. Now, mind you guys, this is a 2008 Gsxr 600. And from the owner, they told me that they paid $8,000 for this bike. So, I'll let my viewers decide if you guys think this bike is worth, you know, $8K. You can let me know in the comments. It's already messed up. But yeah, that's what a Gsxr fairing looks like after it hits the ground really hard. And if you guys look closely, I'll see if I can get the camera to focus on this. That's his blood. And here we go. So guys, on the new case, I have to pop this cover off. Inside of here should be like a little spindle thingy. I shouldn't have to replace this on the new one, but if you look at the old part of the motor that came out, there's a little spindle thing that sits in here with a few O-rings behind it. Make sure you take everything out of this and set it directly into the new one so that you don't lose or misplace anything. So now we take a drill, this little plate holds the stator in place. These 3 screws. So whenever I take out these stator bolts, if the first one gives me trouble, I just use Allen keys to take them out, because nobody wants to sit here and fight a stuck stator. So now you just take your gear, you're going to take this metal slot piece, I'm going to slide the gear onto this, because this is what spins. You're going to set this gear in here, like this. And that should go and sit all the way down in there. So guys, what I'm going to do now is work on the triple tree as well as fixing the broken handlebar while I wait for the gasket maker to dry. Unfortunately, even though in the part description it said that it would come with a gasket, there's no gasket in the box, so I was forced to use gasket maker. But yeah, let's start working up on this steering column / triple tree.
side. Light this bitch up.
So I don't know if you guys watched the previous video where I actually had a 2009 Gsxr 600 that I got with 2,300 miles that came with a crap ton of extra parts. I actually have this leftover blue rear seat cover that I'm going to be giving this kid as a surprise. He doesn't know this yet. He'll know whenever he comes and picks up the bike, but it basically just sits on here like this and it clips down, and yeah. Yeah. If you made it this far in the video, please subscribe. It is 9 o'clock at night. I'm supposed to be at home with my family, but instead I'm here grinding out videos for you guys. So subscribe, like the video, comment what type of videos you guys want to see. If you guys are enjoying these videos or if you guys are enjoying the vlog videos, let me know so I can produce content that you guys actually enjoy. And I'm not just wasting my time. Like, who wants to waste their time? But yeah, we're going to go ahead and put oil in this bike, and that's going to be it. And here we have the first startup. Stock exhaust sounds minty. Normally when I start bikes for you guys, it's like brah, brah, brah. Just listening out for any weird noise. Now I don't know if he's gonna replace that side of the bike, so I'm not gonna put that fairing on yet. I'm actually gonna get home and ask him, but yeah. If you guys like the video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, as well as share it with your friends and family. I would greatly appreciate it. Just hit this button. It's so easy, man. Just hit the button, roll the outro.